This is Javiii, and in this video we're going to talk about the broker that I use. I'll share with you how to sign up. But before we do that, let me give a little bit of information about the broker. I'll make sure to leave a link to the broker in the description down below. They have the lowest spreads I've ever seen. You can check out the information on the website. Be sure to read through it. They are regulated by FSA in Seychelles, Australia. They are legit, they are well known and well trusted. They have been operating for over a decade. Both withdrawals and deposits are free, and they have a wide range of trading platforms from which you can trade. Do you want to trade stocks, bonds, commodities, and digital currencies like Bitcoin? They offer access to these and so much more. The sign up process is super easy. In fact, it takes just 2 minutes of your time to sign up. With just 4 sections, all that is required of you is your name, your email address and phone number, and a couple other information to get started. After that, it is smooth sailing. You then select the type of account that you want, and also you select the currency you want the account to be in, and set your security questions. Make sure to read your policy before agreeing, and then they will ask you a few questions to understand more about your trading experience. And that's it. There you have it. You now have your Forex broker. If you're interested in using IC Markets as your Forex broker, then click the link in the description below. But hold on, before you go, it is crucial that you understand that this is a broker. Just like every other broker, you will have to upload a picture of your ID and proof of address to get verified. I know that persons are cautious when doing these things online, but they have disclaimers in their policy stating that they will not share your information with third parties. After you sign up, you do not have to upload these documents right away. You can do that when you're ready. When you are done, this is what your back office will look like. You can now scroll through and look at the different deposit and withdrawal methods that they have. Once you are verified, you can then deposit money and start trading. Now let's make this money together. Peace.